I'd like to welcome back with us once again my mom, Diane Hunter, to talk about those Callaways.
We love those Callaways, and one of the things people don't realize is they really can help you buy or sell all over the valley. They're not
That's
just
true.
in one area. And a lot of realtors kind of take one area that they specialize in. They can help you anywhere, and they're well worth it. And you've got one of their fantastic homes today.
I do. I have this amazing Scottsdale home, so I'm very excited about this one. It's on a corner lot on almost an acre, which is amazing.
Oh, that is
Three
amazing.
bedrooms, 3 bath, and it's just over 2,600 square feet. It's a 3-car detached garage. It's in the Arcadia Vista subdivision, which is a really nice area, but the mountain view's amazing. It's got 2 master suites, which I think is really cool.
Oh, that is really nice.
Yes, and they have, it's with the private exits, it's got the walk-in closets, wet bar. They've got the freestanding jetted tub, the dual vanities, the tile surrounded shower, and then there's the 2-way fireplace in one of them. I mean, there's so many different things that are going on with this. They have the different tile throughout, the travertine in the kitchen with the knotty alder cabinetry, the backyard. I mean, it just keeps going on. I can't even, there's 2 gas fireplaces with a hearth. There are so many different things going on in this. People definitely need to check this out, and it's all for $1,100,000, and it is, that's actually a steal. For this
kind of house
and
in
this
that
home,
area, that really
people
is.
definitely need to check it out today.
I agree.
Thank you.